Hey guys, I look crazy right now, so that's why I'm not in this video, but I have started doing the balloon decor setup for my safari themed drive-by baby shower today. So as you can see, I've got a few clusters of balloons that I've already started blowing up, and this is the set that I'm working with for the balloon garland. I've also got a cluster of 4 in here too. So if you guys want to see how all of the decor turns out once it's all complete, we've got our grass wall right here. Keep watching this video. Alright, so this, like I said, is the balloon garland that I'm working with. I've been stringing together the different clusters I've created. So now I'm going to go in with my white color because I've been following this pattern. And we're going to add it to the top of this balloon garland. So I just kind of sit it in, and then once I add it to the grass wall, that's when we can do all the fluffing and make it look perfect and pretty. But all you're going to do is just kind of do like a loop around, just to get the balloon attached to the rest of the garland. So again, I'm looping, and at the end, you'll make it perfect and beautiful. But here you have it, and we're just gonna keep building on this set. We're just going to keep building on top of this whole balloon garland. Alright guys, so now we're at the part where we have created all of our balloon garlands, and now we're doing the install on the grass wall. So I've already attached this section onto the grass wall. So now I'm going to go in and fix the top part that we created. Let me move this closer. That way you guys can see the full design setup. So what I like to do is have my string ready and prepared. Ooh, don't fall. And then we'll snip what we're going to use. Press down. And then I'm using balloon string to tie the rest of the balloon garland to the wall, just so that it's more sturdy. So you just kind of have to reach and fill to get all the way around. It does take a lot of time, but this process is super important to make sure that your balloon garland is sturdy enough to whatever backdrop we'll be using. In this case, we've got our grass wall. So I just make 2 knots at the end, and then once the side is attached and the top is attached, I'm gonna go in with my smaller balloons to fill in all these gaps that you see. So at the end, we won't have any gaps, and we'll have a full balloon garland set up for our grass wall. So I couldn't reach the top, so my sister is being my lovely helper and tying the top of the balloon garland that I created to the top of the grass wall. Also, because I'm pregnant, we didn't want to risk me falling backwards off of the ladder. So she is being so helpful in doing that. Now she's securing the middle part of the balloon garland. For the last part of the setup, I've added little balloon dots to the small balloons. And like you see here, we're just going to be adding them in the little gaps to fill in all of those spaces and holes, just to give the balloon garland some more dimension. I've already added the animals and the peacock chair, and also some safari leaves because this is a safari themed baby shower. And then I'll show you guys the final look. So here is the final look of the decor. We've got our safari animals, our little safari leaves, baby Ryan. We are ready and
waiting for you to get here. Well guys, now that I finally have on makeup and I look presentable, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tutorial. If I left anything out, please comment it below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.